Ceci est l'approfondissement architectural sur l'adoption du numérique cette semaine, où nous allons au-delà des gros titres pour examiner les modèles architecturaux qui façonnent la transformation numérique. Cet épisode se concentre sur les défis d'intégration de la communication et de l'IA dans le domaine stratégique et comment cela crée du stress à travers l'intelligence artificielle et la cybersécurité. Je suis le docteur Darren. Passons à l'analyse. Leaders today face the challenge of integrating communication technologies with artificial intelligence. This is crucial for steering their organizations effectively. If they fail to adapt, it can lead to costly delays and security risks. For instance, a lack of adaptability in communication tools can stop critical missions in their tracks. Additionally, insufficient oversight in AI governance can damage public trust and hinder sound decision-making. Cyber threats to vital infrastructure require leaders to strengthen their cybersecurity measures proactively. As we discuss these challenges, it's clear that strategic foresight is vital for future success and maintaining trust. Leaders need to embrace agility when integrating these technologies. It's key to securing their organization's future. Under pressure, we see a clear pattern in decision-making failures. Recent events show leaders have difficulty integrating AI and maintaining effective communication. Major telecoms faced setbacks in AI rollout due to weak communication strategies. This results in slower decision-making and increased misalignment in governance. Your operating cadence will feel strained as oversight becomes fragmented. For your team, this means clearer decision rights are essential when adopting new technologies. You may think this is just a tooling issue, but it's not about capability. This is a decision-making failure. Failing to set proper control objectives can jeopardize security and trust. Without strong oversight, compliance boundaries blur, making risk management more challenging. Recent findings highlight the need to address governance gaps to maintain accountability. Speed without governance leads to chaos. This is an organizational challenge. The strategic domain defines decision rights and accountability. First, leaders need to set clear governance principles for AI and communication technologies. Without solid insights, compliance becomes disjointed, creating vulnerabilities. Second, misalignment in technology integration can reduce effectiveness. This is especially true in cybersecurity, where incident response may struggle. You might notice your teams facing issues with siloed technology implementations. Third, without careful oversight, decision fatigue can occur. This directly affects critical outcomes. You may think the problem lies with the tools, but it's really a governance issue. Weak frameworks lead to confusion over decision rights, eroding accountability. By pairing technology with strong governance, you enhance mission effectiveness. Every missed chance to clarify roles adds to potential weaknesses, as we've seen with frequent cybersecurity breaches. Balancing technological agility with robust governance is key. This approach supports sustainable transformation across all areas of your organization. Organizational stress is affecting AI decisions. Many organizations are struggling with their reliance on AI for critical choices. Microsoft has warned about the risks of trusting AI for significant decisions. If we don't address this, decision-making becomes fragmented, leading to delays. It's crucial for your team to define decision rights around AI use. This shouldn't just be seen as a technical issue. It's fundamentally about decision-making. The areas under pressure are strategic and organizational. Poor governance around AI can confuse accountability and misalign roles. Many teams rush to adopt AI without considering ethical implications. This oversight creates serious governance constraints. If clear governance frameworks aren't prioritized, AI could lead to misguided policies that undermine accountability. To stabilize the situation, clarify who is responsible for AI-related decisions. This will strengthen governance and enhance decision quality. This week, we're seeing key shifts in cybersecurity. Intelligence reports show a rise in cyber threats targeting energy infrastructure due to geopolitical tensions. If organizations overlook this trend, they risk major operational disruptions and rising costs. Your team may face emergency responses and delays in projects. You might view this as a technology issue, but it's really about decision rights and governance. Strategic and organizational domains are primarily affected. Weak governance frameworks lead to confusion around accountability, increasing vulnerability. Many organizations focus on tech solutions but forget essential governance structures. The core problem is unclear authority and oversight mechanisms. When roles aren't well defined, cyber resilience weakens, putting operational stability at risk before critical goals are achieved. To improve your situation, establish a structured framework for decision rights in cybersecurity management. This will protect your organization from escalating threats and ensure compliance with necessary standards. The Artemis II mission highlights key challenges in communication technologies. It utilized advanced laser communications. However, it revealed issues in how organizations adapt. If we don't resolve these challenges, we'll face fragmented communication. This can stall project timelines and cloud accountability. For your team, this translates to unclear roles and stalled initiatives. You might see this as just a tech issue, but it's really about governance and clarity in decision-making. Strategic and organizational domains are under pressure. Rigid structures make it hard to integrate and respond to new technologies. Many teams rush to deploy tech, overlooking the need for solid governance. Without clear decision-making guidelines, coordination will falter before you reach your goals. To regain control, set clear decision rights for your communication initiatives. This will define accountability and improve execution on crucial projects. A common challenge emerges across all areas: balancing agility and oversight. This balance is essential for successful technology integration. One major issue to avoid is fragmented ownership. We see this in cybersecurity strategies that lack cohesive governance. Communication initiatives often fail to clarify decision rights as well. For your team, this means risking inefficient resource allocation and unclear accountability. A clear example is the misalignment between operational strategy and cybersecurity needs. To address this, it's crucial to clarify ownership structures in your programs. Doing so reduces confusion and improves responsiveness. Stakeholders need to understand their decision rights to drive initiatives effectively. Establishing a clear framework around decision rights will facilitate swift, effective technology integration and compliance. Initially, architects must stabilize decision rights to ensure accountability and streamline processes. Leaders face three important choices. First, you can centralize governance for AI tools or allow departments to use them independently. Centralization boosts consistency. Decentralization may lead to ineffective use and compliance risks. This choice impacts how clearly your team can deploy these tools. Next, you must decide whether to prioritize integrating communication technologies or adopt AI tools on their own. Focusing on integration aligns solutions with your organization's needs. Independent adoption may create misalignment and fragmented strategies, directly affecting your operational effectiveness. Lastly, consider whether to formalize your cybersecurity control objectives or leave them undefined. Formalization fosters a proactive approach to threats. In contrast, unclear boundaries can expose your organization to vulnerabilities. This decision shapes how well your team manages risks. Leaders often face challenges with decision rights and ownership. Clarifying these points creates alignment and sets important boundaries. We've seen how unclear responsibilities can slow down compliance efforts and delay initiatives. So, for your next steering meeting, highlight who owns these key decisions. Next week, we'll dive into more strategies to enhance governance and decision-making processes. Cela conclut l'approfondissement architectural de cette semaine. Si vous avez apprécié cet épisode, veuillez nous donner 5 étoiles sur votre plateforme préférée ou sur YouTube. Et si vous souhaitez aller plus loin, rejoignez notre communauté sur Patreon en cherchant Embracing Digital. Jusqu'à la prochaine fois, je suis le Dr Darren. Continuez à poser des questions difficiles et à embrasser la révolution numérique.